Very good morning to all of you. Today we will see consonance theorem, proof of consonance theorem and how to implement consonance theorem by using universal gate such as NAND gate. And this is your consonance theorem. In consonance theorem, there are two theorems. One is in SOP form, another one is in POS form. In SOP form, AB plus A dash C plus BC equal to AB plus A dash C. Okay. In this, there are two variables at a time in a product term, and each are in cyclic order. AB plus BC plus CA dash. Okay, or you can say A dash C. And answer is taken according to the complemented variable. Answer is taken according to the complemented variable. In this, complemented variable is A dash. Okay, so where there is A, those terms will come in answer. So answer will be AB plus A dash C. This BC, this BC is redundant term. So that's why it is also called redundancy theorem. Similarly, in POS form, A plus B plus A dash plus C, B plus C equal to A plus A dash plus C. Just take the dual, dot, change dot by plus and plus by dot. Okay. And suppose you have to perform in lab. For this you require two IC. One is 7400, this is 2 input NAND gate, and 7410, this is 3 input NAND gate IC. Okay, how will you prove? So you have to prove AB plus A dash C plus BC equal to AB plus A dash C. Just multiply BC. You have to remember, you have to multiply by 1 those term which is redundant term. In this, BC is redundant, so you will multiply BC by 1. And you know 1, you can write down A plus A dash, A plus complementary theorem, A plus A dash equal to 1. So BC A plus A dash, so Y equal to AB plus A dash C plus ABC plus A dash BC. Now take AB common from here, AB 1 plus C. Similarly, take A dash C common, A dash C 1 plus B. So Y equal to AB plus A dash C. Similarly, you can prove this POS form. You do not need to worry about this. Just take dual of every step. Dual of every step, you will get this A plus B or A dash plus C. Now you have to implement by NAND gate. Okay, how will you implement this by NAND gate? You know AB plus, first we are implementing right hand side, AB plus A dash C, AB plus A dash C. This is nothing, this is in AND OR form. Okay, for AB one AND gate, for A dash C one AND gate, and then OR gate. AND OR is nothing, this is NAND, this is level 1. AND for AB, and this for A dash C, and this is for OR. And I already told 2 level gate minimization. You can replace and OR gate by using directly NAND gate. So this is AB, this is A dash C, and this is your OR gate, AB plus A dash C. And why this NAND gate is coming? This is coming for complement, this A dash. So one more gate is required for NOT gate. Similarly, for 3 input NAND gate, again it is in left hand side. Now we are implementing by left hand side. There are 3 gate, and again it is in AND OR form, so you can replace AB plus A dash C plus BC by NAND gate. This for first AND gate, this for second AND gate, this is for third AND gate, and this is for OR gate. And again one NAND gate is coming because there is A dash. So this is your right hand side circuit. Okay, in lab this is your logical diagram. Okay, for 740 I am taking pin number 1, 2 and 3 for this, and for this take 4, 5, 6. You know, in one NAND gate IC there are 4 NAND gate, so one IC is sufficient for this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 9, 10, 8 means you will connect pin number 6 to pin number 10. Similarly, now for last gate take 13, 12 and 11. Pin number 8 to 13, pin number 3 to 12. Okay, and here you will get the output AB plus A dash C. Similarly, for this again you can use pin number 1, 2, 3 for this, 4, 5, 6 this, 13, 12, 11 this, 8, 9, 10 this. 4 NAND gate. Now 3 in one, you require one 3 input NAND gate 7410. So for this you can use this IC. Okay, you will get the output. And when you will check the result in truth table, you will get the result 0, 0, 0. You will get same result here and same result here. Similarly, for you are checking 0, 1, 1, 1. Here you will get either 0 or 1, the same result, either 0 or 1 you will get here. In this way you can verify your consonance theorem in lab. This is all about your consonance theorem. This is very important theorem in Boolean algebra because it is very useful to minimize any Boolean expression. Okay, it's all about your today lecture. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.